Ivy Masters Learning Center at ivymasters.com. Today we're going to look at Test 6, Section 1, number 26, which reads, as used in line 38, treated most nearly means. As soon as you see most nearly means, you know you have a vocabulary and context question. What does that mean? First off, you want to ignore any meaning of the word you're familiar with. Do not say, oh, treated doesn't mean that, so I'm going to get rid of that. Oftentimes, the SAT loves to use common words and then use them in a context that you're not familiar with. So you got to get it 100% based on the context. So how do you do that? You can think of your own word that would fit and then find a match in the answer choices. It could be a single word you're thinking or a definition that you're thinking. Or you can even read the whole sentence and be like, hey, what is this sentence saying? And then see what word would best fit in place in that sentence. You could also put each answer choice to place the original word. And then lastly, sometimes there's a synonym before or after the word in question. Let's look at this number 26 and see where it's going. It's starting the sentence here. To find out, she and Adler planted 168 Texas gourd vines in an Iowa field, and throughout the August flowering season, made half of the plants more fragrant by tucking dimethoxybenzene treated swabs deep inside their flowers. Each treated flower, so it says it treated here, made about 45 times more fragrance than the normal one. The other half of the plants got swabs without fragrance. So what's treated mean? It means in this context that they added the fragrance to it. And so then you've thought about it. Now we could put each answer choice and place the original word. Dimethoxybenzene altered swabs, or each altered flower. So you could put it in place of both contexts. That's going to give you the best insight into what the correct answer is. So altered looks all right. Let's check the other ones. Dimethoxy restored swabs. That's not going to be correct, because what that implies is that they had amped up the methoxybenzene before and then they lost it. Now they're giving it back again. It's not restored. The methoxy provided swabs deep inside. Each provided flower. If you're providing a flower, then maybe you're giving a flower to someone. And then we've got dimethoxybenzene preserved swabs, and each preserved flower. So to preserve a flower, you might, I don't know if you put it in the freezer, if that works, or you pour some chemicals on it or something like that, but we're not doing that here. The flowers are changed and are altered. How specifically are they changed? If they're given more aroma. Answer choice A, to be honest with you, I don't think it's like the best word that would fit in place of treated here, but I mean, of these four answer choices, it's the best word. So that's what we choose as our answer. Thank you for joining us today. If you like this video, click like. You can share it with someone who has difficulty with vocabulary and context questions. If there's any question you'd like to see answered from any official PSAT or SAT or ACT, leave that in the comments. I'd be happy to shoot a video on it. Click subscribe so you don't miss anything, and check out our 1-minute video on TikTok. Have a great day.